There's our girl. It's been a while. Wow. What is up, fam? Host message finds you all well in good spirits. Well, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas break. I did too, had a little bit of break, but we're back at it again. We're gonna go check on the Hulk. We're gonna see what's going on. Yes, we're still modifying the Hulk even while the motor's still out. We're gonna go to Chuck in Delaware at C&D Auto Check and find out the Hulk. I miss Hulk, I haven't seen him in a while. We're gonna talk to you about the plan, the process, and the new mods coming and all the good stuff. But what do I have behind me? That's right, our giveaway for the Raptor has ended. This is the last drive before we send it over to get its final detail and over at the StangMode giveaway headquarters, which will be going live on Sunday, January 3rd around noon. So stay tuned for that. We're the only channel on YouTube to go live and announce the winner. So please have your phones ready and be watching the channel for your chance to win this Raptor. You could be watching right now. I'm so excited for you guys. Yes, it's happening. This Raptor and $5,000 cash is coming to one of you. So we'll find out on Sunday. What a way to bring in the new year. But let's jump in the Raptor, have our final drive, and let's go on our way, swing over, and see the Hulk. Let's go. We're back. Well, we are getting close to visiting the Hulk, and this last drive in the Raptor has been pretty, it's been time for me to reflect. This won't be the last truck on the channel. I really enjoyed this Raptor, but you know, it was nice. It's my first ever truck, and I had fun enjoying the experience. And now I'm getting an opportunity to win this is going to be really exciting. But no, this is a great truck. Raptors are, you know, a lot of people critique the way the Raptor sounds and that because it's not a V8, but you know, the V6 twin turbo, it sounded fine to me. I didn't change the exhaust. I think that's the problem, and I had that problem. The EcoBoost don't sound good once you modify the exhaust, but stock they're fine. They're efficient. You're at C&D Auto Tech, and there it is. Hulk is in there. One of the cool things, Chuck said he actually had to give the Hulk a bath because there was so much oil on it, but we'll talk to him about that and see what's up. Yeah, I'm bringing it here to him. What's good, baby? Happy New Year. Yeah. Well, last day of 2020.
Oh God, thank God.
I know. No, this is the last drive in the truck before we go get a detail. We announced the winner on Sunday, so
nice.
This is the last drive, but Raptors are good. You know, a lot of people hate on them because of the sound. But I think if you don't change the exhaust, it doesn't bother you.
Yeah, that's the biggest issue with the EcoBoost is
the noise.
Exhaust.
Yeah.
The stock exhaust is great, but you try to change that exhaust to just about anything aftermarket,
it just doesn't work.
No.
Talk about the big news. Look at this fresh cut here.
Oh yeah.
Chuck looking handsome out here. Look at the fade, the beard's trimmed. Okay.
Hey,
I see you.
Gotta look good, man.
What's going on with the Hulk? I heard you had to clean the oil off and.
Yeah, I have my man Cooper here. He came in this week. We set the car up on jack stands, blasted out the engine bay, get all the oil and all the loose engine debris.
Yeah.
Out of there, blasted off the underside of the car. Just need to make it clean so that when we put everything back in, it's not an oily mess.
Okay.
So
I bought you some headers too. I'm taking some stuff back.
Nice.
Let me show you what we got. We got the Cooks. I haven't even opened these yet. These are the Cooks
nice.
catless headers.
It says Corvette.
Oh, we got the wrong kind. Corvette shipper. I'm gonna unbox them too because I never opened them up yet, but. Cooks had that nice, you know, stamp.
I have a sense of deja vu here.
Oh my goodness, what in the world? You bought me a new one. So obviously this is not the Hulk, but what's going on with this guy?
I wanted to get a fuel system upgrade.
There you go.
So we settled on a Ford double hat. You got it right here. It's already ready to go in.
Beautiful.
So we're doing dash 10 feed, dash 8 return. They just wanted to do a double just to make sure they had enough fuel for the system. They run E85 and regular pump, so they wanted to make sure.
Wanted to make sure you're good to go.
Yeah, they're not pushing it any further than they are now.
All right.
But they got the same headers, the Cooks.
All right, cool. Well, this is exactly what we'll be doing to the Hulk is these nice headers and the fuel system as well. So.
Yeah.
Wow. This is like I came up here. I was like. I know you, but I don't know you. Because you know what? So the Toyo Proxies, yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
So, very good. Well, there's our girl. It's been a while. Wow.
That's fine.
So how much oil did you get out of this? A lot, really? All right.
It was a few hours.
Wow. So you had to just power wash it all off, or?
Yeah, there was some of the engine components
There was-
still in there.
There was still metal and everything else all over the place.
Oh wow.
So I power washed it all down, power washed the frame rails. Like you had debris and oil all the way up to here.
Jeez. Well, that's why we're here, because you definitely do a clean job. I like how you like zip tied and
Yeah, we
bagged
didn't want to
everything.
contaminate anything.
Yeah.
You know,
That looks good.
do that up just so that we can put her back fresh.
Yeah. So
So your car, we're doing the headers, obviously.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing the lethal system on this.
yes,
right?
lethal triple fuel system.
Sweet.
Should I get the 1700cc injectors, you think? There's 13 on it now.
Really all depends on how hard you want to push it.
You don't want to be back here taking the motor out, but we do want to push it up.
Yeah, well, I mean,
What do you think?
bigger injector is going to hurt drivability some.
Gotcha.
Not like low end.
Sure,
fueling.
sure.
But on E85,
We'll make a decision as we get closer then.
Yeah.
All right, that sounds good. So we have fuel system. We have the headers I just bought. I also, Whipple's gonna send a new intercooler.
Sweet.
And there's a new supercharger lid that's coming up from Palm Beach, the Hulk.
Right.
Little, Jason had it on his, but ours is like different.
It's the billet lid I've seen.
Yeah, billet lid.
Very, very good looking piece.
And what else am I thinking that we need to get?
Trunk tank.
That's right. I text him. I think he's on break because I try to call him, but I'm gonna hit him up after the holidays. A trunk tank. So those are the four major things we have. Besides, of course, we need the motor.
Right.
What
The motor's not that important.
what can you install, or what can we do modification wise without the motor here together?
We could start doing the fuel system. As
Okay.
you see, you know, we drop the tank, we do what we need to do in the tank, make sure everything's cleaned out, obviously, you know, always take a look in there, make sure there's no dirt or debris from
Sure.
fuel in there. Put that back in, run the lines up. The trunk tank, we can mount in the trunk, run the lines up, get that all prepped.
Okay.
And once the engine gets in, we figure out the placement of the fuel pressure regulator and all the little things that, you know, all the details.
I see.
So-
And this is a fuel tank right here, obviously. So how big is this? 16 gallons?
It's like 15-ish.
15-ish? Okay.
Yeah,
'Cause
it's, I think 14.9, 15.1
Okay.
is usually like if you run it all the way down to E, that's about what you'll get in them. I don't recommend running it down to E, especially
Yeah.
on a boosted application.
Yep.
You see quarter tank on the needle, you consider that empty.
Empty.
You stop, you refill.
Well
So,
said. Yep.
You know, it's just a safety thing. You know, if you gun it, if you have any hygiene maneuvers that the fuel sloshes around, especially with the aftermarket systems. The aftermarket systems don't have a sump.
Gotcha. Oh, that's cool.
So as you can see, a stock fuel system has a basket on the bottom. So it has fuel like a small reservoir in here. So if you have a high-speed turn or anything like that, the fuel doesn't slosh out. You don't starve the pumps.
Got it.
So with an aftermarket fuel system, there's no basket around it. They can flow a lot more fuel than this can. But if you slosh the fuel around, it uncovers the pumps. Now you're just pumping air, which is no good for an engine.
Yes. Yeah.
So
I'm learning. This is mind messing me up here. I'm looking at your security camera there, and I'm like, is he striped? No, he's not striped. Okay, that's how you tell them apart.
Yeah.
All right, there you go. All right, that's cool. Well, you want to unbox the headers, and then I'll take the stock manifolds there.
I'll give you the factory intercooler brick too.
Yeah.
You know what you could do with the brick?
What?
Make a plaque out of it and give it away in one of your mystery boxes.
That's true. That's true. I will say one thing. Cooks really does.
They do a fantastic job.
Yeah. This is nice.
So yeah, there's three major exhaust brands that keep going.
Very nice.
Yeah, there's three major exhaust brands that I consider working with when it comes to these cars. Is Cooks, American Racing, and Stainless Works.
There you go. That looks pretty good. Oh. Yeah. What was your?
Are these the 2-inch or the 1 7/8?
I believe they're the 2-inch.
Sweet. Yeah, it looks like they're 2-inch. That should definitely make some noise.
That's gonna make some noise.
So, beautiful stainless steel, Mandrel bent pipes.
Yeah. These were a little bit on back order. We were supposed to have these sooner, but you know, it just everything was on back
Hardware
order.
kit. It's going to come with the new hardware.
Sweet.
Gaskets, which we don't recommend using the gaskets that they come with. I don't know why.
Yeah.
They're sending them. Actually, no, these are good gaskets. These
Those are
actually
good.
excellent gaskets.
Oh, good.
I thought that they would come with the lead impregnated cloth.
I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah,
Yeah.
I've seen them on the Texas Speed. I have Texas Speed headers. Guilty on the Mamba.
These are excellent. If I'm replacing a gasket on a Ford modular engine, I recommend using either the OEM gaskets,
Gotcha.
which are multi-layer steel, like a head gasket.
Yeah.
But they have I don't know what it's called. It's a coating on the gasket to help it seal, or these.
All right.
So.
Yeah, this is gonna be good.
Yep. Now, comes with new hardware for the down tubes, new extensions for the oxygen sensors. So.
We should be good.
All good, man.
All right. So my question is, let's just say fast forward like a few weeks. Let's just say the motor is done. What is how quickly are we talking? Like just guesstimate.
To get the engine in? I mean, let's say I had everything here.
Exactly. Because you still ordered what else have you had to order? You ordered the oil pump and
the oil cooler and the oil filter housing are here.
Yeah, okay.
I can show you those in a bit. What else do we need? I've already got spark plugs. You're going to get the injectors. Fuel system's coming.
Oil
filter. That's
antifreeze. Yeah.
Right. That's all easy.
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
That's a couple hours to get that stuff.
Yeah.
If I had everything here right now, day and a half for the intercooler system, day and a half for the fuel system, a couple days for the engine, so call it a week.
Okay, that's not bad at all.
To
have everything back together.
Probably a little bit more, because there's always
Sure.
details,
Yeah, I know.
dotting the I's, crossing the T's, and all that.
Double checking everything.
I'm just weighing it
Sure.
for numbers, but there's always putting the engine on the stand, getting the harness back on
Yep.
it, and
There's a couple things I'm sure will come up, like we might be missing a washer or something.
So worst case scenario, call it a week and a half.
Okay.
Labor wise to get everything together. Have her running ready to hit the dyno.
Woo! All right. I mean, I'm getting excited, and then take a little thumbnail for the headers. Yeah. There you go. That looks good. Perfect. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, there you go. That's what I was looking for.
Hold on. This is better. I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna set it in place in the car.
There you go. Let me get the little picture to focus. All right. Perfect. Yeah, by the way, that came from Lethal Performance. So use code StangMode, you can get a discount for all your headers. But like Chuck said, Cooks, Stainless Works, and American Racing headers are probably the go-to. That's the update for now. We're gonna keep doing it step by step. Maybe we'll come back here when we do we'll do an actual install for the fuel system, because obviously it can be done without the. Look at this, dude. Holy cow. But there she goes. What's that?
That's your new wall plaque.
Ah.
That's the
that's a Whipple intercooler.
that's the brick that's filled with debris.
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, there's no way
there's
because
no way
it
to
can
clean- yeah.
right. It can get trapped in there, and then work its way out over time. You'll never know.
Yeah, yep.
Until you have a failure. So let's
Souvenirs.
$1,000.
This was $1,000. Yep. Whew. What?
Let's do a take 2.
It's all good.
Anna gave me a
Oh, that's nice.
plaque for Christmas.
I'm gonna one up and bring a bigger one of the Hulk and you
Okay.
and me taking pictures with it when it's done.
This is the factory oil cooler that goes up in the bumper.
Gotcha.
So it's mandatory if you ever have metal go through the engine, any type of oil cooler like this has to be replaced. Again,
Got
for the
it.
same reason. If a piece of debris gets stuck in there, it's got all the little
Yeah.
tubes and whatnot.
Yeah.
If a piece of debris gets stuck in there and works its way out, goes through the engine, boom, there goes your engine again.
Exactly.
So it's expensive, but
It's for what
cheap.
how we failed. Yeah, it's what has to happen.
Yep.
Well, let me say goodbye to the engine bay this one last time.
You want some alone time?
No, I need I'm gonna need some alone time here. You know this hood is a lot heavier than people.
It is.
It's like,
And I cheat and I just use
there you go.
that.
All right. It actually still looks kind of nice. We should put batteries in it and make it into the first electric GT500. Can we do that? I mean, right now, dude. Oh man. I really appreciate the attention to detail. Like this is really like nice to see because a lot of people wouldn't. You know,
No, I mean
appreciate that. Yeah,
keep
that small
moisture out of
things.
the
Yeah.
connectors. The
Yeah. All right.
yep.
Yep.
These are badass cars.
No, they're not. You know, and they're still being like learned, and you know, they're gonna get there to where once that transmission tuning. All right. Perfect.
Yeah, I
So,
even had him clean up the exhaust, but you can see there's still
wow,
Left on there.
stuff.
it is like sticky burned on there. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good thing you got it.
Well, this is stains. That's part of the.
Okay. So that's the stock stuff.
Yep. We'll need that to put the stuff.
These are kind of tiny.
No.
Yeah.
You know, considering it's a 760 horsepower GT500.
It just goes to show you how much power you can make.
I know, yeah.
Smallish exhaust.
Wow. Well, let's load them up. Oh, we still got, still got more.
We're
This
gonna
keeps
be-
on giving.
we're gonna
You're gonna
be
keep
finding-
finding it for years to come, I think. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, let's go through this box.
Yeah.
Make me break it down.
All right, guys. Just to wrap up, we are leaving the Hulk, and Hulk's twin is there, obviously. But so that's the plan. We're going to get the fuel system from Lethal. We have the headers that came from Lethal. We are still waiting for. We have a custom ice tank that's going to go in the trunk, and we have some stuff I'll share with you as we go. I don't want to spoil all the goods, but for right now, Hulk is here. It's in good hands. You saw that they cleaned off all the oil. We're getting the new Whipple intercooler, so we'll take it. And we have the Palm Beach Dyno billet lid that's coming, the custom Hulk lid. So it's coming together. All we're waiting for now is the pistons from Diamond to come in, and we're going to put it all together. I'm thinking mid to late January is when we're gonna come back and we're gonna have Hulk back together. But for now, stay tuned, stay locked in. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you live on Sunday to announce the winner of this. Peace.